Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to add an end screen to your YouTube videos. To do that, all you have to do, go to Studio. And as you reach out to Studio, there are two ways you're going to add an end screen. The one is add an end screen to a newly uploaded video. You're going to upload the video from the right upper corner and select any particular video that you think. Make sure it's more than the 1 minute video, so the end screen is properly added. So I will select one of my older videos, so that will make things much easier. I'll go with iPhone 13, and as the video is being uploaded, you go to video elements. So you click on video elements next to it, and in here you can see an option called add an end screen. Click on add, and when you click on add, what you will be getting are 4 options. The end screen are of different types, you must know, because you have seen on channels the end screen are something that appears on the end of your screen, end of your video. So it means if a viewer want to continue watching your videos, or you want to suggest other people's content, you can do that as well. So we're gonna click on any of these. So I usually prefer using this one, probably 2 videos that are covering my content. So when you see that you have 2 videos, and you can decide on which part it will appear. So I will go and shorten the length because I want it to appear in the most last, because I don't want to mess up my space, because I want people to watch this part as well in a clean way. So I can select the first this video, and either I can best video for viewer, like according to your interest, that video will appear here, or I can choose a specific video. If I want, I can click on a specific video from here, from my already uploaded videos, or I will go and bring other people's content and add it to my own videos. So this is how it's going to work. You can see other people's content is available in here. So this is how you're going to add end screen to a newly uploaded video. For example, if we are not looking for a newly uploaded video and we want to go and add an end screen to an already uploaded video, we go to content, we click on content, and we will click on already uploaded video, click on details. And when we appear on click on details, we'll go scroll down, and you can see on the right lower corner there is an option called end screen. Click on end screen, and you will get similar options as we have seen on the uploaded side of the part of the video. So if you follow along, and you can easily add end screen to your video, you can see it's already mentioned here. I always put end screen to my videos. So if you find this video really helpful, please make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you up next video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.